Want to start a side hustle for a passive income with under the $100? This video is for you. In today's video, we will learn how to start a successful dropshipping business with Shopify and TikTok in 3 simple steps. So first of all, let me tell you how the dropshipping business model works. In the traditional e-commerce, you gotta own your product and inventory in order to sell it. But it's not the case with dropshipping. As in dropshipping business model, you gotta sell someone else's product. So no need to keep an inventory. When someone purchases a product from you, you gotta inform your supplier. And then the supplier is gonna take care of all the steps, like shipping your product to the user and then taking the amount. What you are going to do is that you gotta aid your margin in the product. So let's say if a wholesale supplier is selling a product for $20, now you gotta list that product on your store for, let's say, $50. So here in this case, $30 is your profit margin and $20 will be charged by the wholesale supplier. So this is how the dropshipping business model works. There are 3 simple steps to start your dropshipping business today. The first step is that you gotta find a product with a supplier. Second step is you gotta create your own Shopify store. And in the third step, you gotta create content and you gotta promote your product in order to bring purchases. So in order to perform these 3 simple steps, let's get straight to the screen. Hey, so welcome to the screen. Now to start your dropshipping business, there are 3 simple steps to follow. So in the first step, we will find a product and a supplier, which will be sub-dropshipping in our case. In the second step, we will have to design our shop or the store, and for that we will go with Shopify.com. The third step would be to start marketing your product in order to bring sales. So we will start with the first step, search sub-dropshipping.com. Now sub-dropshipping here is going to be providing you the products, and it is a wholesale supplier. So now you can enter your email and password, or you can sign up straightly with Google. So once you sign up for sub-dropshipping.com, this is your dashboard. Here you can check all your orders. If you are a creative designer, you gotta start print on demand. You can start print on demand business. You can start with the consumer electronics or the jewelry niche. So there are a lot of categories that you can start. So you gotta have some market research and of course your interest. So whatever niche you are interested in, let's say we will start with the pet supplies. So I'm going to click on pet supplies. Now these are the products with their pricings. Now if you want to start selling this product or this product or this one. Now in this example, we are going to be starting with the pet niche. So we have got our supplier, we have got our products. The second step is to create our own store. Now to create or design our store, we'll go with Shopify.com. Let's go to Shopify. Click on start a free trial. Let's sign in with your account. So as you can see, it is asking where would you like to sell, an online store. Click next. Then it says which best describes you. I'm not selling yet. Click next. What do you plan to sell? I'll decide later. Then click next. So click on the basic plan, or you can click on skip and you can decide it later. I will recommend you to start with the basic plan and build your store. So this is the Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen. Now once you sign into Shopify.com, these are the steps. So you gotta design your online store, add your custom domain, name your store, confirm your shipping rates, set up a payment provider, and then place a test order. So this is it. Now in order to create your own Shopify dropshipping store, you've got 2 options. If you are a creative person, you can design and customize your store. If you can design your landing page or your store, you are gonna hire a freelancer to design your store. And for that, you are gonna go to Fiverr or Upwork.com and click Shopify store design. Now, as you can see, there are various freelancers who will design and build your Shopify dropshipping store for you. So you will design your Shopify store from Fiverr.com with up to $50. You have got your supplier, which is sub-dropshipping.com. The next step would be to add your desired products from sub-dropshipping to Shopify.com, and this is very much easy. So in order to add products from sub-dropshipping to your Shopify store, you're gonna click on add apps. The first step is to connect sub-dropshipping to Shopify. click on Shopify App Store. So as you can see, this is sub dropshipping. Now we are going to connect sub dropshipping with our Shopify. Click install. Well, so this is how your dashboard would look like once the sub dropshipping is connected to your store. So if you want to list this product to your store, you gotta set your own price for it. Let's say we want to sell this product for $50. So $13 is the price of this product and $6 is the shipping rates. So we are going to get almost $30 per product. So after setting your rate, click on list it now. Now if you want to check your store, Vuitton store, well, boom, as you can see that this product is listed to our store. Yeah, as you can see, this product is now added to your store and it is visible. Well, so now let's add a product from another category. Let's say kitchen and dining. Let's say this is your product and we want to start selling it. Click on start selling. The price is 1.23. We are going to click on list to your store. Boom, the product is again listed to your Shopify store. So this is how with simple and easy clicks you can list your product from sub dropshipping to your Shopify store. Well, so this is it guys. You are going to first design your store in Shopify and then list your desired products on your store from subdropshipping.com. So that's it. We are done with the first two steps, which was define a product or supplier and then create your store and list those products from sub dropshipping. The third step is to start marketing. Now, honestly speaking, the third step is the main step, because if you won't market your product, there are going to be no sales and no profit for you. So you got to install and connect TikTok and Instagram with your store in order to start promoting your products. So I hope you got your winning products from subdropshipping.com, and then you have also created your store on Shopify and the marketing is also ready. So that's it from the screen side. So at the end of this video, I hope you have created your Shopify dropshipping store and you have listed your products from sub dropshipping, and you have also created a strategy to market your products in order to bring purchases or sales. If you don't have a budget to advertise your product on Meta Ads or on Google Ads, there is a bonus tip for you, as I'm going to be telling you how to promote your product via organic videos. So for this, first you will have to order your product from subdropshipping.com. Once you got the product, you will have to make organic shorts. So once you have ordered the product from subdropshipping, then you gotta create organic content with that product and post it on social media, like on TikTok or on Instagram, in the form of shorts content. So this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you have found the video interesting. In order to bring more videos for you, you gotta support and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.